Transportation moves us. It gets us from one place to another. It makes travel quick and convenient. As Canadians, transportation is an essential part of our lives. That's why it's important to understand how transportation works. With Let's Talk Science's Energy4Travel Action Project on Curiosity, you get to participate in a national project that looks at transportation data. You and others like you across Canada will be collecting data and answering questions about how you use transportation and its impact. You probably don't think much about the transportation you use every day. You just go where you want to go. To places like home, school, work, games, stores, and friends' homes. But young Canadians are spending more time making more trips and are going further in vehicles than ever before. In some cases, these numbers have more than doubled for 11 to 15-year-olds. All these trips in vehicles make young Canadians one of the largest groups of transportation users out there, and it takes a lot of energy to get people from one place to another, even as passengers. Did you know that almost a third of the energy we use in Canada is for transportation? It's the same amount as the energy used for homes and businesses combined, and more than half of the transportation energy we use is for moving people. That's a lot of energy. All Canadians, including youth and adults, are collectively and individually using more and more energy for transportation. It's obvious that transportation makes our lives easier and more convenient, but it also comes at a cost. A recent report found that Canadian families on average spend more money on transportation than food. There are also environmental costs. When vehicles burn fuel for energy, they emit a variety of polluting gases into the atmosphere. These include carbon dioxide and nitrogen oxides, which are considered to be greenhouse gases. They also emit particles such as carbon and unburned fuel, which contribute to poor air quality and respiratory illnesses. It's clear that transportation in Canada is a necessary part of our lives, and the choices we make affect our world, not only today, but in the future. So, what about you? How does your transportation use compare to other young Canadians? That's where Let's Talk Science's Energy4Travel Action Project comes in. By collecting and analyzing your transportation data for the project, you'll learn about the energy you use and how that compares to other young Canadians across the country. You'll also learn about the different types of energy sources, along with the ways to reduce your energy use and ways to improve air quality. You can also see how your data compares to special guests like race car driver Amy Castell. So get ready to join thousands of young Canadians participating in Let's Talk Science's Energy4Travel Action Project and start discovering how important transportation is for you. See you on Curiosity.